Hello everyone, I'm Haiyin Che from Institute of Data Science and Knowledge Engineering, School of Computer Science in Beijing Institute of Technology. In this session, we will discuss deep web data acquisition. As the picture shows, the content of all Internet information could be divided into three parts: surface web, deep web, and dark web. On top is the surface web. Surface web, its content is basically unstructured HTML information. Anyone can access it through the Internet. In the middle is deep web. Deep web concept is created by Bright Planet in 2000, which is used to express those websites whose information content is stored in the search database and only respond to direct queries. The content is mostly structured database information. The information could be academic records, financial records, legal documents, government records, and science reports, etc. At the bottom is the dark web, which mostly is the illegal information related to drugs, weapons, and other illegal information. In the dark web part, besides the onion is the TOR. TOR is the acronym for the onion router, and the user can communicate anonymously on the Internet through TOR. TOR project was originally sponsored by the U.S. Naval Research Laboratory to hide the whereabouts of government personnel collecting intelligence online. TOR is designed and provided for free by TOR Project, a non-profit organization, and has been adopted by Freedom Advocate and Criminal. TOR sends chat message, Google search, purchase orders, or emails through multiple computers in a circuitous manner. Disguise the activities of Internet user like an onion wrap its core. Information transmission is encrypted at every step, and there is no way to know where the user is, the location and the destination of information transfer. Volunteers around the world provide about 5,000 computers as nodes on the transmission path to cover up new message or chat request. The TOR project calls these point relay nodes. American Internet experts and librarian Chris Schaferman and Gary Price defined available on the Internet, but those web page files or other high-quality, authoritative information that traditional search engines are unable to index due to the technical limitations or are unwilling to index after careful consideration. This is the first definition of deep web. Features of deep web information. Deep web information has several features. The first one, highly related to information needs, markets, and fields. The second feature is fastest growing new type of information on the Internet, more specialized and deeper than the traditional surface web. The full value of the deep web content is 1,000 to 2,000 times that of the surface web. The third features, more than half of deep web content is stored in the semantic database. 95% of the information on the deep web is publicly available without payment. Deep web content includes, first, pages that are not referred to by search engine due to lack of directed links. Second content is non-web files accessible on the web, such as picture file, PDF, and Word document, etc. The third content part, a dynamic page obtained by querying the back-end online database by filling in the form. And the fourth deep web content. This content requires registration or other restriction to access. Now let's compare deep web content and the content searched by search engine. First, we compare from interface. Deep web content is dynamic web extracted from a database, which usually have a complex interface, and each query interface supports queries on several attributes. Search engine. The content is searched by keyword, so the content searched by search engine is searched by keywords. Second aspect, the results from deep web are mainly structured data, but the result from search engine is just web pages. Third aspect, in the aspect of how to sort search results, deep web sort search result according to the result of a certain attribute's value in deep web. But search engine sort search result by similarity between search result and submitted query. Now let's learn how to collect the deep web data. Deep web data collection tasks include two stages. First part is query interface identification, which means if you want to search the deep web content, you must identify the query interface. Second, fill in the form automatically, then execute the query. For a specific website, you can obtain as much deep web data as possible by manually writing or giving crawler script with the assistance of wrapper and generator. However, this method not only requires a lot of manpower, but also its scalability is poor because of its specific website and query interface. Construct a general deep web crawler in order to crawl the deep web data of many sets at once. How? First, query interface recognition. Use a variety of methods, including visual layout to pass HTML forms or perform syntax analysis on HTML forms to automatically discover deep web data resources. Second, add text similarity heuristic rules to associate HTML forms with specific field to realize automatic filling of forms. Third, by constructing page classifier and form classifier to automatically find deep web database related to task, and then try to automatically fill in the form. How to automatically fill in the form? Based on the domain knowledge, use heuristic rules to associate the field of the form with the domain, thereby inputting parameters related to the domain concept. Also, domain-independent detection. Iteratively obtain querying keywords from querying result based on sampling to obtain as many query results as possible with fewer queries. Now let's summarize the deep web data acquisition topic. In this session, we learned the concept of the deep web, features of deep web information, and also what is deep web content. We compared the result of deep web data collection and traditional search engine query. And at last, we analyzed the deep web data collection tasks, and we understand the solution to crawl the deep web content. In this session, we learned the big data resources, internal, external. Thank you for your attention. If you have any question, feel free to contact me.